Hey guys, it's Susan from Tamagems. How's everybody doing today? I hope everybody is well and healthy. So far so good over this way. I made a gemstone pendant that I want to show you how to make. It is so beautiful, so sparkly. I used orange garnets on this one, but the next one that I make, I'm going to use watermelon tourmaline. I'm going to use some of these green ones. This is part of the strand of watermelon tourmaline. So I want to use the green, so let me cut that. I need about 10. So let me cut this off and pick out my 10. I don't think I'm going to go with the darker ones, so I'm going to move these aside. And I'm going to start here. So I've got 2 here. And then I'm going to go with 2 of the medium shade green. And then I'm going to go lighter. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8. And I'll bring one of these back in, 9 and 10. So I've got my 10 watermelon tourmaline. I'm also going to need some wire. I'm using 24 gauge and I'm going to cut this 18 inches. I need my little gemstone. This is in a rectangular shape. I'm going to need my round nose pliers, my flush cutters, and my chain nose pliers. Let me go ahead and measure out 18 inches. So there's 12. And there's 18. And give that a snip. Forgot to mention that you're also going to need some kind of tube. So I'm using, this is actually a stirrer for, when you make like a mixed drink. So anyway, that's what this is. So I'm going to use my 18-inch piece of wire. I'm going to come down to the middle, and that's where I'm going to start my wrap. So I'm going to go ahead and hold down the top, and then I'm going to wrap around. So I have 3 loops on the top. I'm going to cinch it down by just twisting at the bottom. And I'm just going to go around 2 times like that. So I have 3 loops at the top and I've cinched down my bottom. Okay, I can go ahead and slip this out. And there's my 3 looped bail. I've got 2 wires at the top. I'm going to bring one of the wires through my gemstone and bring that up at the top. Bring the other wire into the back. Hanging on to the back wire, I'm going to go ahead and bring it around to the front, come up, and then I can start putting on my watermelon tourmaline gemstones. So I'm going to put on 3 on this wire. Bring it down. I'm going to kind of space it out a little. Hanging onto it tight, I'm going to go ahead and wrap it around my bail twice. Making sure this is tight and straight. Then the wire that's coming out of the center, I'm going to bring that straight up and go ahead and put on more of my gemstones. So I'm going to put 4 on this one. These gemstone holes are so tiny. So a good thing to do before you even start is to take a gemstone, take the wire that you're going to be using, and see if it can fit through your gemstone before you cut your wire and do all your preliminary stringing. And then you know when you're at this point to string your beads on that it's going to actually go through. All right, so I got that down. Now I'm going to hang on to the front and go ahead and wrap that around 2 times. Okay, so I've got that done. Now I'm going to come down the back. So there's 2 wires in the back, and I'm actually going to straighten this out a little bit. So coming in with my nylon jaw pliers, I'm going to straighten out the wire like that, and then I can go ahead and bring it down. Then I'm going to come back up the front and go ahead and string on the last of my beads. Okay, so I've got 3 on there. Let me move this aside. Push that over. Push this in the middle. And then you can kind of arrange the beads the way that you like them to lay in the front of your pendant. So I think that looks nice. Then I'm going to hold on to it and come around again twice, like that. Using this wire, I'm going to come around 2 times, like that at the base. Then I can go ahead and cut my wire. So I'm going to cut my bottom wire first, making sure it's in the back. And then my top wire, making sure this is also in the back. And then I'm going to use my pliers and push it down. And then push this side down. This one I'm going to actually cut a little more so it stays in the back. It's trying to wrap around. Push that into the back. Okay. And then with the top bail, I can go ahead and use my fingers and just spread it out, kind of fan it out. Like that. So that looks really pretty. And then with the back, to secure the back, I'm going to use my chain nose pliers, and I'm going to come in, pinch it down, and give it a twist. Like that to secure it. And then I can do another area. I can do this side up here, and that's going to secure the back. And there you have your pendant. So pretty, huh? This bail I made a little larger. I think I used I used this guy, the Wrap and Tap. And on this bail, I used just a little tube for that one. So there you have your beautiful gemstone pendants. I have some chain here. Let's see what I have. There's an 18-inch. So this is going to look really pretty with the gold bail. Slip that out. Hang on my bail. And there you have it. So pretty, right? I hope this video was helpful for you and you will give these pendants a try. They are so lovely on. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time.